Okie doke. So this is the Bostionye, I guess, or Bostionye, or I'm not even sure how to pronounce it, but this is cool. I got this for my phone because I mean, I always just take the picture with my phone. I never really get to bring my camera around. So we got this. So let's see. So this has got all these different filters and stuff for it. So let's check it out. So here's the some of the instructions. Comes with a little, you know, the instructions for it. Basically, just pictures, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It comes in this nice little zipper case, and I'll show you each of the little pieces here. So first thing is here is this tripod, which is just a cute little tripod. I mean, I've seen these little ones before. It's aluminum, so it's pretty good, and it's got the little screw top, so pretty nice. So put that there. Here's the clip. So this clip will go around your phone and hold the lens in place, and it's got the little screw part for the lens. And then I'm gonna see in here, we've got a variety of lenses. So without opening them up and looking at each one, I'm gonna guess some of them are fisheye lenses and whatnot. So there's a lens there. So basically it screws into place. If I take off the cap, screw it into place and then clip it onto my phone. So, and I'll post some pictures that I take with it just so you can see what it looks like. So this is one of the lenses. And then look at this lens here. This is like some super duper zoom lens thing. So this is gonna make my phone look ridiculous, but holy cow, if it really does a super zoom, that is gonna be awesome as can be. And here's another clip, I guess, for some of the smaller lenses. And it's kind of cool that it comes with this. So this is like a little remote, a little Bluetooth remote. So not sure if the battery's in it or not. Oh, it does come with a battery too. So it's got the little Bluetooth remote, which is funny because I actually have a very similar one that I got from something else, a red one. See, they're almost the same. I use it all the time. I usually use it to start this video, but didn't today. And then here's the little mounter for the tripod. So you screw it on there and it'll hold the phone in place. So I'm gonna give this a shot. I'm gonna post a few of the pictures that I take with it. So here's another little piece here. I'll post some of the pictures and I'll you'll get an idea of how it works. It's very cool. I like this. And it's the Bostionye. I don't know how to say that, but mobile phone lens. Awesome.